Morning all. Oh, bloody Cardo.
Phone connected.
Mic's in my mouth again. Cheek pads are too tight. What can you do? And today's adventure, we are going to Cornwall Kawasaki because someone's getting a new bike. And who's getting a new bike? Shall I leave it as clickbait? Not really clickbait. Oh, always seems to be last minute. Like, I didn't have plans to go out yet, or till later this afternoon, late afternoon, and then something happens, and then you get rushing out, just waiting for Baz, because Matt's on the way. We don't want Matt coming on the road with his massive exhausts. That sounded a bit snobby, that, didn't it? No, it's not because of that. It's because I think next doors has got a view in on Mark's road. He don't want it to look like Sons of Anarchy out on the front door, which is fair enough. Yeah, and talking of Sons of Anarchy, I'm sure loads of people have seen it, and I've heard that it's really good, and loads of people tell me to watch it, but I just can't get past that guy's walk, the main character's walk. I don't know what he's doing. I watched one episode. He didn't stop doing that walk all the way through, and I thought, I can't be doing with that. So unless he stops that walk in episode 2 and for the rest of the series, I don't think I'll be watching it. Come on, boy. Where are you? I'm melting here. What's the temperature here now? 22 degrees. Hottest day of the 2s today. Is your Cardo on? That's a good thing about those Cardos. They're magnetic and they just snap on. Are you back on?
Yeah.
He's on.
Yeah, but you couldn't have all of us turning up there, don't you? It's two different people.
No, I've just explained that. Is Ian in that car?
You know.
There's Ian that I had to help. Hello Ian, you lazy Yeah, I explained that just then. It'd be like Sons of Anarchy on the front door. You don't want that.
A massive loud motorbike turning up. The people will be thinking, oh, I'm not moving here, if that's what happens every Saturday.
Or every day. Here he is, there's Matt now, innit? Alright. Cheers, Matt.
That was too big for Matt.
Oh, I'm gonna have to undo my levers a bit. It's 22 degrees, boy.
Ah, that's still the garage, that.
Nah, I've been out the garage for ages.
Yeah, but you're not rode anywhere for the centre.
Mine works faster than yours, doesn't it? What about in this next lay-by bit?
Yeah, but how will he see you?
Well, I'll just stay on the edge and wave to him. Tell him to turn around. Yeah, wait here, Baz. Here he is. See that hand signal then? He understood it.
It's 'cause he's a truck driver.
Yeah. After you, Baz, he's there. Alright, Matthew. Let's roll. So I take it, you guess, well, sorry, I'm not talking to you yet, Mark. You guess that it's not one of us getting a new bike. It's Matthew getting a new bike. Clickbait. It wasn't clickbait, was it? I don't know, it might be. Shall we edit it?
Hedging our bets here, boy.
That him on the right, maybe. The far right.
Yeah. What's up with the other one now, number 2? Is it blocked up?
No, come on. Hey, baby girl.
There's someone viewing 2 houses on our street, so we didn't want to all meet on our street. In case. Looks like a bike gang or something. No, Jay will pay for it all.
Will I?
Marked up as well, but Jay.
Yeah, I've just realised. So, you've got 2 cheap ones, and I've got 2, like, mortgages. 2. I need finance on both of the ones I've got. Right, that's enough. Jeebus. Oh, is that girl that wants my phone number? Let's go and have a look.
No, I won't want the money.
I will.
No, bring it up, it's only Jay.
No, he's selling it. Don't be getting frimming it if he's selling it. Alright, thank you. Cheers. No, it wasn't the one that wanted my phone number.
Oh, this chick's going to bend over and put air in a tyre.
Wait, I'm coming. Tell her to wait. Alright.
You missed that there.
I'm sure you'll describe it to me later. Look at that! Not even close the lid! This one's a good left if it's clear. $42, not bad.
How much?
42.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, by that I can't mean 33.
What? 33 both ways? 42 and 35. They're just warming up, alright? Oh, I know what that bloody wind noise is. I've opened the vent, haven't I? Muppet. Alright? You absolute knob. Oh, there you go. Wind noise stopped. That's what we could do actually after here. It's not going to take long, is it, if you've done that Laddock Valley? And even if it gets late, I'll just back wheel all the way home to get back for 2.
Where's this hairdresser's?
Carby Spey. I think it's the one.
You got a bus on, boy.
It's the one Rachel goes to. No, because of my indicator again. I've told her I'm going to take her to that horse. What is it? The horse shack. Been going on about that for a while, so I said, right, I'll take you after you get your hair done on Saturday.
Where is it here?
Straight over, straight over. Oh bump, oh bump. Thank you. Oh, there we go.
I might go to the front, boy. Sneak in here. Get me. Shit, it's a big dog there.
What's he moaning at? What are you moaning at?
Oh, well.
Go on, go on. He was raging in that van. Pointing and shouting.
He was?
There was some guy because we filtered past him.
Yeah.
He was proper raging. I don't know if I got it on camera, but he got angry when I went past and he seen a number plate and he was pointing at it and raging. Thank you.
Raging about what?
Because we filtered past him.
Isn't that what you do on a motorbike?
Well, maybe not on the inside, but...
Leave a massive gap then on the left.
Did you see him? Was you? Yeah. He was proper raging, wasn't he? Yeah. What about because I filtered past him? And on that note, I think we'll go to the sponsor of this week's video, which is Charlie. Charlie is sponsoring the video, and as usual, the videos wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for dogs like Charlie. Not just dogs, all other pets. Oh, this guy's turning right. We've blocked him. You better do fast. Go. I didn't clearly understand what Matt said, but Matt said he was going to go right after that guy.
Why?
To have a word with him.
Matt suffer from road rage.
Yeah, I think so. Not as bad as some people, but yeah. Well, everyone suffers from road rage, don't they? Well, most people do.
I don't really get annoyed, ever.
Yeah, possibly.
Oh,
look at that nice. That's a Seat, is it? Yeah. Here we are at Cornwall Kawasaki. There we go. Let's have a look at this KTM and see what the verdict is. What time is it? 25 past 12. Yeah, we've got time. Should we go to BMW? Matt wants to go to BMW. Pouch again, can you believe it? The verdict at Kawasaki was the 790 Duke he was after was sold on Wednesday, so he's not getting that. So we're off
more
back.
Important than that,
Yeah.
I found out
Yeah.
that you've got to pay a subscription for a KTM quick shifter per owner.
Yeah, that's absolutely ridiculous.
£200 a year, and every time the bike changes hands, you got to pay £200 again.
Yeah, the subscription doesn't even stay with you. So if you sell your KTM that you've just paid 200 quid for a quick shifter for the year, and then you buy another KTM, you've got to pay another £200 for that quick shifter. Alright, I've never heard of it. Yeah, so we're off back to BMW where I was yesterday for the car service and a few days before for the bike service. Matt's thinking about the F900, which is a good option. If it's 0% finance, it's a good option and it's a good bike, and he's got his license, so he might be able to test ride it today. You can test ride it all the way to ours, so I can go home. Right, you ignorant knob. He looked at me then as well, watched me wobble my head, felt like a right knob.
Oh,
did he let him?
You?
Yeah, that's a point. Cheers. Knob. There's a lot of knobs today actually. I hope he does get this F900 because I want to go with one. I just want to test ride one.
You one of them?
Eh?
It suit you one of them?
It suit you? Depends how low the pegs are, doesn't it? You know what I mean? If the pegs are too low, I can't have one.
What?
Won't be able to get elbow down, will I? Oh bump, there's no space. I thought there'd be space here.
And you're in the wrong lane.
You're in the wrong lane. Here we are, back to BMW. It was only last night's video where I was here getting a service. but this will be, that would have been weeks ago now by the time you watch this one. Let's see what they say about this F900. Boss?
Yeah.
We should get commission if Mark buys that bike.
I can't believe why advertise a bike at 9 grand and then when you put everything you want on it, it's 12.
Yeah, it's like anything though, isn't it? Well, apart from some high-end stuff. Are you going left out of here, Baz? Oh, bump. Alright, don't matter. You can go to that roundabout and then up that way, can't you?
Wait, Baz, I might not go home, to be fair.
Alright, okay. You don't even need to know what I've done. Fuck, I swear that pouch. But the news is, everyone, I think Matt's getting an F900. He's a proper cool guy there. Matt's getting an F900 and that double R, I'm test riding it next Saturday, and by the time you watch this video, because I done the video asking whether I should get it or not was last night, but that was, I don't know, 5-6 weeks ago for you. So yeah, I'm test riding it on Saturday, but you won't know till the end of June. I don't even know why I'm telling you that. Right, are you going right here?
Yeah, so I'll speak to you when I get in.
Right, okay. I'll see you later, Baz.
Yeah,
Baz isn't going home yet. I need to get home now. Oh, I've stalled it. I'm in 4th gear, no wonder. Muppet. Yeah, Baz isn't going home. I just said that, didn't I? But I need to get home because the old ball and chain needs to go for lunch or something. Alright, see you in a bit, Mark. Can you hear me? Hold on, pull over here a minute. Not there, you silly sausage. I'm sure there's a lay-by here. This is where I met Matt last time when I test rode that XR. Oh, with all the gravel as well. Mark's continuing, going out, and I'm gonna, if I don't see you now, because I've got to be back in like 13 minutes. Yeah? So I'll call you later. If I don't see you, I'll call you later. See you in a bit. Right, 13 minutes I've got. For starters, you better change that bloody screen, Annals. Oh no, wait, I forgot the road's closed there. Shit! Fuck's sake. Come on, Doris. Come on. Oh, you're taking the piss here. Oh my god. What is going on with this traffic? We've just been thinking, I wonder what we're doing now in June. Date today is probably May the 10th or something, I don't know. It's the beginning of May, and this video is not going to be out till the end of June. I wonder what we'll be doing then. Is that? Oh, I'm not sure what it was actually. Hopefully, all's well in June. And another thing about being so far ahead with these videos, this is going to be the 5th video I've got to edit. It's just going to be non-stop editing now. We've gone out too much. From having no videos all over the winter to now being like 6 weeks ahead, which is going to be pretty shit really, because we're not going to be in with current affairs. Oh, I can guess what's happening in MotoGP, can't I, in the end of June. Who's leading at the minute? Martin. I'll say Martin's still ahead, and I'll say Marquez is right. Marquez is joint or close to second with Bagnaia. Yeah, that's what it'll be. Oh, but don't count out Acosta. I reckon he's going to be Martin first, Marquez second, Bagnaia third, and Acosta fourth. This time, the end of June when this video is out. Yeah, let's go with that. I can't remember if I've said thank you to Charlie yet. So thank you to Charlie for sponsoring the video, alright? And an update about Charlie is a video that was released a few weeks ago, or quite a few weeks ago, was Bella's Baps, where she talks about getting some of her titties removed. Hopefully that video done quite well, because that's been released next week, but that would have been weeks ago for you. Anyway, so when I edited that video, I had a couple of sponsors to put in the videos, and Otis was the sponsor of that video. But what I done was, I said thank you to Otis in the video, but I put Charlie's picture in, and it's all uploaded to YouTube and ready to be released. Realised that Otis wasn't in the video and had to go back, delete the video, edit it again. Well, not edit it, but just put those pictures in and upload it. It took ages last night. So that wasn't a good thing. So yeah, Charlie is now in this video and was meant to be in this video, and Otis was in that video, Bella's Baps. If you've not seen Bella's Baps, go back and have a look at it. Is it a good video? I can't judge it. I'd say it's an alright video.
Radio on.
I didn't even ask for the radio on. You're an idiot. Hey Cardo, radio off.
Radio on.
Yeah, that. And also, thanks to everyone for watching. If you got this far, it's probably a short video, probably a shit video, because either way, don't matter. Thanks for watching if you got this far. And as always, a massive thank you to the members. If they're still members, this is what I mean. I've got these members now at this point, but in 6 weeks time they might not be members, or they might be more members, I don't know. So thank you to the members. So these ones at this moment in time are these members, these great guys. These are the best guys and one girl that you can ever imagine. I can't even describe how good they are, especially my Stacey. I might edit that bit out. I don't want Dave getting annoyed. I don't want Dave coming down here kicking me in. Alright, that, I don't think I've got that, but that was a nice cardigan. I pray on the Jesus that I got that. I'm sure I'm going to say bye again in a minute. I'll do the usual go into the gate shit, won't I, and going ta-da. Here we are. Are you ready for the ta-da? Ta-da. Build update. The window is open for some reason. Okay. See you next week for more nonsense.